Welcome to my Circuit Cuisine. Today we're making a delicious mild Salsa Verde that can be a nice companion to many dishes. I have 7 tomatillos here. These are the tomatillos. I left some skin on them so you can see how easy they are removed. I also have 2 jalapeno peppers, 1 chili pepper, 4 garlic cloves, 1 onion, about 4 spoons of olive oil, cilantro, salt, and ground pepper. And I'm also using this food processor. I'm turning on the stove, medium heat, and I have 2 cups of water in this deep pan. And I'm going to place my tomatillos. They've been washed. All my vegetables have been washed already. And together with the tomatillos, you can add the onion. I cut mine in half. And the 4 cloves of garlic. Salt. We're gonna cover and wait until it boils. And after boiling, we're gonna cook it for at least 10 minutes before we add some of the remaining ingredients. It's been 10 minutes. And this is the way my tomatillos are looking. So I'm gonna add the jalapenos and the chili peppers and cook for an additional 5 more minutes. I have removed the tomatillos from the water. This is what my tomatillos are looking like with the jalapenos and the chile. So we're ready to place this in the food processor and blend. I added the tomatillos and also half of my cilantro, half of the olive oil, and half of the pepper, and we're gonna blend this. This is my second batch. I like to leave it a little coarse. This will be mild to warm. If you want this very mild, then you cut back on half of the chile that I use. This is what the sauce is looking like. I'm gonna pour some in this plate so you can appreciate what the sauce is like. I'm going to garnish my sauce with fresh cilantro and also jalapenos. You can make this sauce and store it in the fridge, and it can be good for at least 5 days. And like I said, you can add this sauce to any of your dishes. Thank you for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe for more delicious food videos.